How to start and activate a group watch on Disney Plus. The group watch means if you're a family, you can all watch at the same time on this TV. So this is my Disney Plus Hotstar. What I will do to create a group watch is simply show you the steps on other screen how to use Disney Plus group watch. Open the Disney Plus app or visit the website directly. Choose what you want to watch. Then you have to click on the group watch icon that is too easy to find there and click on the up icon to find the link for the title. Select copy link if you're using a browser or invite a mobile device from there. Participant must accept. Each invite profile picture will appear as they join. When ready, dim the lights and click on the start streaming to end the group watch. Select leave group watch option to do it. So yeah, as you can see that this is a quite simple and easy thing to do because I don't have an Hotstar account right now, so I cannot do it. But yes, I can show you the thing that how it actually works, how you can start a group watch on your Disney Plus. So I understand that you must have understand the video. Thank you so much for watching this and please subscribe to our channel for watching more.